Hey guys, and welcome to this Subway Surfers video. Let's get straight into it. Now it's quite early in the morning, so people are still sleeping, and that's why I have a croaky voice sometimes. And yeah, so I'm just gonna try and beat the top score, and you guys just have to sit back, relax, and watch the video. Top score was set by me. However, I'm going to try and beat my friend on Game Centre's score. And his score is just 10,000 more points than mine. So if I play really well, I should be able to do it. And I'd just like to take this moment while I'm playing to say thank you for all the views on our intro to the channel, and yeah, please subscribe, and thanks a lot. But I am honestly really bad at this game, and just that's how it is. I will get Flame Viper to do some of these videos because he is a lot better than me. So I think later today I'll be uploading a video on, I think I'm doing FIFA, and then I'm gonna do we'll see. I know I'm gonna do FIFA 1, and so now we're just running through only 110,000 more points until we beat the high score. That's quite a lot. We'll have 3 attempts at this to try and beat the high score. Now, if you guys do want me to do more of these videos, please tell me in the comments, and if you want me to do this again, like this video. If you think I should be playing a different game, then also tell me in the comments. Ooh, it's getting tense. Oh, this boy bot, man, he's so I'd say so bad, but he's kept me in this. However, if we do beat the top score on this first go, then that will be the end of the video. Oh, my voice really hurts. And at the moment the recording isn't very good because I just started and I'm recording on my phone and that kind of stuff. Oh. Well, go number 1 gone. Go number 2. So we're just starting off easy, taking it slow. So that's how we like to do it. Start slow, finish big. Well, second go over. That was quick. Last go. Come on, boy bot. Let's do this. Let's beat Flame Viper's top score. Well, did not see that, but thank you for watching, and please subscribe, leave a like, in the comments tell me what games I should play, and see ya.